What are we playing?
We're playing Yahtzee. Yay! Come on, Donald. I got 2 Donalds.
Did you?
Come on, go. Come on, Donald. Yahtzee!
Did you get Yahtzee? Awesome! Good job. All right, so where do you get to put Donald? Yay! I think it's Daddy's turn.
Oh yeah, it's Daddy's.
Do you want to say hi to anybody?
Hi Daddy, I love you.
Oh.
Hi Mommy, I love you.
You want to say hi to Grandpa or Mama or Grammy or Papa?
Hi Grammy, I love you. Hi Mama, I love you. Hi Grandpa, I love you.
Hi Papa?
Hi Papa, I love you.
Say bye.
Bye.